little cruise to the beach. Couple friends. Guys, we are broke down. The truck don't want to turn over. It don't want to start. Now we're all stuck here. Now I got all my homeboys staying here like waiting for the damn tow truck. Damn, what a bummer, huh? Alright guys, so we're still patiently waiting for the tow truck. Still broke down, waiting. We're actually gonna go get something to eat right now, so while we wait for this tow truck. Fuck it, bro.
That way you can see the sun.
Nah, I'm good with it. Alright guys, we're on our way home. Left all the homies behind. Alright, so we made it home in the tow truck. I think it's nothing serious. I hope it's nothing serious. We were cruising. Everything was normal. We parked. I turned it off. And then it just didn't want to start. So we were about 84 miles away from home. Luckily AAA got us. Shout out to AAA. They got us down to the pad nice and safe. But yeah, man, gonna hit up my mechanic, see what's going on. Probably gonna have to take it in, maybe even get a transmission, who knows. Might as well, it's already going in. So my truck broke on Sunday. Today's Tuesday. We're gonna be taking it to the shop where I got it all put together at. They told me it was a fuel line, but you have to take the bed off and all that, so I don't have the tools to do all that. So I'm just gonna take it to him. He said he'll fix it, and he said it should only take a few hours. So we're gonna be on our way. Hopefully they get it fixed while we wait, and we should be driving it back home. All right, and we're on our way. Fuck it. Alright, so the tow truck took off before us and we were trying to catch up to it, but we got a hold of dispatch and found out they took a different freeway. Great. So we're gonna try and catch up to them on the other freeway. We're gonna see how that plays. So we were trying to catch up to the tow truck, but we just got a call that he made it. He beat us. Damn. So we're on our way there, about to get off the freeway, and we'll see how everything's going. Oh, we made it to the shop. So while we're waiting for my truck to be done, we decided to take a drive instead of waiting for the truck to be done. And we found this. Awesome. I'm gonna keep driving. Probably end up down there, take a cruise down the beach. That's Malibu down there, I believe. Just gonna go take a drive down there, cruise around until we get the call and say that the forced induction truck is ready, and we should be back on our way home. All right, guys, we made it to the beach. We decided we're gonna wait here until we get a call. It's a pretty nice view out here, and we're in the car. You know, we can't really get out since the coronavirus. All the beaches are closed, so we might as well wait in the car. We're a little more safe, and we'll wait on the call. We got seagulls flying, all that. Awesome. So I got a call from the shop. Truck's almost gonna be ready. Probably by the time I get there, it'll be ready to go. Go. Alright guys, we're back in the truck. Truck's running good. Took it for a little test drive. I didn't get to record it, but I'm sure I'll get a few little shots on the way home. time, I don't know what it was. Gapped them. I don't think you want it anymore. Come get some, bro. Got him. You don't want it. I guess we're gonna end the video with that race right there. Unless this guy wants to race too. They don't want it from this heavy ass truck. Oh, he wants to pass by all fast now. You don't want it, bro. Oh, he doesn't want it. Yep, we're gonna end the video with this pool right here.